Hello, this is daily price action analysis. I have chosen a couple of price action features that I would like to talk about. This is the first feature. We have a strong bullish candle, and then we have a 1, 2, 3 bearish candles that make a distance of one bullish candle. So we have one bullish candle up, 3 bearish candles down. It signifies strong bearish weakness. Our entry can be here. This is a beautiful example of weakness. Price is in a good location relative to the moving average. It could be a little bit closer, but it's not far off. If it was farther off, I wouldn't want to take this long. But seeing the weakness and closeness to the moving average, this is a good entry long. Counting on those guys who are going short here are trapped because price is not moving in their direction. There's bearish weakness. We take advantage of this weakness by entering short, by entering long here. So this is the first price action feature that I would like to talk about. Similar feature you can see here. One bullish candle, 1, 2, 3 bearish candles. Entry long here is possible. Then we have a low move up, then a retest. Another entry long is possible here. Then this situation is very interesting because we have this breakout here and an inside bar, and it's important to know how to treat this inside bar. What is it? So for me, if I wanted to go long on a break of this inside bar signifies a pullback. It is a stall, but it signifies a pullback. Price stalls, makes a little correction, and this correction, this looks like an inside bar. So this is simple pullback. We go long on a break of this inside bar. Going long at swing high is not a great idea, but sometimes it's a good idea. You have to get a feel for it, when it's good, when it's not good. Then, if you don't want to go long here, and you set your order below the inside bar, then to me, this inside bar signifies a rejection. So we have a one strong rejection, and then weaker rejection. Okay, I think it's important to think of candles as concepts. You want to know what you're trading. You want to know what lies behind those candles. What is the meaning of it? And for me, when I trade them, it's easier when I put a meaning to the candles. So, if I wanted to go long, I treat this inside bar as a pullback. And if I wanted to go short, on the break of this inside bar to the downside, I treat it as sort of a double rejection. The second rejection, this would be the first rejection, and then the weaker rejection, and I would go short. Of course, you can get trapped by going long here and going short here, but this is just part of the game. But both entries are valid. So, if you enter above the inside bar is sort of a pullback. If you enter below inside bar is sort of a rejection. This is just my personal opinion. This is how I see it. Next price action feature. This is quite interesting. Okay, so we have this price goes down. We have a large swing to the downside. This can be treated as a sort of a pullback, and pullback of this larger move. So we treat this whole move as a pullback of this larger move, and then this small pin bar, we have a 2 candle rejection of this area, and then 1 candle rejection of this prior prior two candle area, so to say. So if we enter above this pin bar, this can be treated as a retest of this two candle rejection. This is a two candle rejection, and we have a retest of this two candle rejection. So I treat it as a retest. But then you can also think of this swing, of this move down, as a swing of its own. And then if you enter below this pin bar, then you treat it as a part of this pullback. This is a sort of a complex pullback if you wanted to enter short here. So if you want to enter long, this is a retest of this two candles. If you wanted to enter short, this would be a part of the pullback. Okay, so just know what you're trading. Put some type of a context into those candles. Okay, if I treat this as a separate swing, then this is part of a, if I enter short, this would be a part of the pullback. If I enter long, this would be part of the retest. If this is a swing low, this is the retest of the swing low, and we go long. Okay, there are several possibilities to explain this scenario. You just have to come up with what fits your current context. Okay, if you treat it as a separate leg, then this is a retest area. If you treat it as a part of this leg, if you treat this leg as a part of this move, then this is a pullback area. Then within this move, this can be a pullback entry short or a retest entry long. I know this sounds a little bit complicated, but I hope you know what I mean, more or less. Okay, and then I want to talk about one more thing. Weakness, I'm sorry, just let me... I think we talked about everything. Yeah. Oh, this one. This is very interesting as well. Okay, price goes up, comes down. Okay, what you find yourself at this place. What is it? Also, you have to put some type of explanation to this congestion. Okay. If you treat this as a swing of its own, then we have this is sort of a price goes down, goes up, and goes down again. So bearish candle, bullish candle, bearish candle. So this is a sort of a retest of the swing low, and you could enter long here. But then if you treat this as just part of this move, then this is sort of a pullback. It can be also like a flag here, and you enter short. So it's either a test and then retest within the test, or a pullback and entry short. It's a retest of this test if you want to go long, or if it's a pullback if you want to go short. Okay, I hope it's more or less clear. I advise you to understand what you're trading. It doesn't have to be always correct, but you get better as you trade. To put meaning to those candles. Okay, know what you're trading. Are you trading a pullback? Are you trading a test? Are you trading a retest? That will, this story that you have to make up a story, and this is gonna help you in trading, basically. Okay, I hope you like this explanation of those price action features. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I hope you enjoyed this, and have a nice evening. Bye.